Are you a high-income earner frustrated by the Roth IRA income limits? Let me tell you about the Backdoor Roth IRA, a powerful legal tax move that lets you unlock tax-free retirement growth, even if you're well above the IRS thresholds. Here's how it works. Step 1, you contribute after-tax dollars to a traditional IRA, up to $7,000 in 2025 if you're 50 or older. Step 2, convert that amount to a Roth IRA, usually within days. If you move quickly and have no existing pre-tax IRA balances, there's no tax bill. Now your money grows tax-free, and when you retire, qualified withdrawals are also tax-free. Let's look at Amanda. She's earning well above the Roth limits and has a 24% effective tax rate. She contributes $7,000 to a traditional IRA, converts it immediately, and lets it grow to $35,000 over 20 years. She walks away with $6,720 in tax savings. That's money she keeps, money working for her. Now check out Brian. He's got a 31% effective rate. He does the backdoor Roth for 10 years, $7,000 each year. His Roth grows to $200,000. Total tax savings, $40,300, all tax-free in retirement. But let me be clear, this isn't for everyone. You need to avoid holding pre-tax IRA balances, convert quickly, file IRS forms every year, and keep spotless records. Mess it up, and you could face unexpected taxes or penalties. Plus, Congress could always close this window in the future. Disclaimer: this content is for educational purposes only. Consult a licensed tax or financial advisor before acting. No guarantees are made. You don't have to navigate this alone. Work with a CPA or financial planner who knows the rules and can keep you compliant. At Perez, Goree & Associates, I don't just stack tax strategies. I design tax plans built around your values, your vision, and your purpose. Tax planning isn't just about paying less, it's about aligning your money with your mission. Ready to talk? Click the link in the description to schedule your free 15-minute consultation. Your future self will thank you.